All right, guys, next up, we got break number 4 of our Hit Parade Big Box break. So this is from our Tennskin Breaks exclusive series, a 10 box series that we're doing with them. So shout out to Dave and Adams, the guys at Hit Parade. Appreciate you guys collaborating with us on this one. So we're break number 4 out of this 10 box case. You've got guys like Jason Tatum. You've got, gosh, who are some of the other big names? We pulled a Giannis autographed basketball last weekend out of one of those breaks. But you've got some other guys, Trevor Lawrence. We pulled Magic Johnson out of here. You've got Mike Tyson, Juan Soto autographed baseball. So there's some big names in here for sure. So Todd, you've got 2 spots in this. Scott J with 1. Brent's got 1. Brett, you've got 4 spots. Rick's got 2. Jason J with 1. And then Warren, you've got 1 spot. So the only 2 letters we're not using are Q and X. Everything else is in play. So let's go ahead and randomize. Let's randomize our last name letters. All right, so 2 last name letters per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times. We'll be doing another of these coming up Saturday night. All right, guys, here we go. So Brent, you've got last name letters M and F. Brett's got C, B, E, O, D, Z, Y, and T. Jason with N and H. Rick's got G, I, P, and J. Scott with A and S. Todd's got V, U, K, and R. And then Warren, you've got L and W. All right, there are your letters. Break number 4. All right, guys, so you got break number 7. Or box number 7, I should say. Break number 4, box number 7. So this one got beat up a little bit too. But all the seals are intact. So we should be good on this. Todd, you not liking those letters? What'd you get? V, U, K. Yeah. Who knows, man? Maybe we'll pull something good for you. Man, they didn't even seal this one up. How about a headliner item, Trevor Lawrence? Come on, man. That is a Nike on-field jersey, too. Fanatics Authenticated. Warren, that one is coming to you, man. Pulled another headliner item. We went Giannis and then Trevor Lawrence back to back. Nice hit there. All right, autograph basketball next. Another Fanatics Authenticated. Dude, that looks like Larry Bird. Doesn't it? I don't think it is, though. Who is that? Any guesses on that? It's Fanatics Authenticated. All right. I don't see anything listed who this is. Let's hope it's listed. There we go. All right. I got the Larry part right. It's going to be a Larry Johnson. So last name letter J, that'll be going to Rick. Next up, hey, we got a Z. Brett, who thought we'd pull a Z out of there? Zegras. 2021 World WJC Gold and MVP. I don't have a clue who the crap that is. Is that soccer? No, it's NHL. Trevor Zegras. So, Brett, we got you a hockey jersey, man. Grandmama. That's right. All right, we got 2 items left. Oh, dude, this is cool, man. USA jersey, it's a Carl Lewis. Last name letter L. Warren, another one for you, man. USA custom jersey 915. There you go. So another L. All right, we got 1 item left. Oh, come on. How about a Cal Ripken? Todd, there you go, man. The R came through at the end. Got a Cal Ripken 16 by 20. JSA authenticated. Come on, man. You didn't need no X. That Cal Ripken came through for you. Sweet hit. All right, so some more strong hits from Big Box. Trevor Lawrence, Nike on-field jersey. Cal Ripken had a nice Carl Lewis jersey as well. That's awesome. So that'll do it for Big Box. So 4 down, we got 6 more to go. Still looking for that Jason Tatum jersey. Juan Soto. Some other big names as well. So appreciate you guys jumping in on that one. We'll get break number 5 loaded on the website, and we'll look at doing that coming up on Saturday night.